Vanu's sovereignty has taken the facility.
Alright, that was from last hit.
Oh, I can't believe it just
I think we
witnessed that.
should hold them here, and hopefully the guys at Chino Rock can get the West Pass.
I can't believe I just witnessed that. Oh, that's funny.
That would be the intelligent thing to do.
A Vanu guy just blew his own infiltrator up because his infiltrator was being a retard. Oh, that's so funny. He just looked at him murder his own guy, and he just, come on, man. Oh, he's gonna do it again. Twice in a row to the same guy. That's so unfortunate. Oh, I just witnessed murder.